What type of results can we get? Here's an example. A patient who had a treatment of his main superficial vein, which is right in this area here, using a technique called radiofrequency. And at the same time, we proceeded with what's called a microphlebectomy, where we did a few micro incisions, to go after those lumpy varicose veins. Now, here's a picture taken approximately 3 months after his procedure. Similar type of patient, maybe more impressive varicose veins here, but the source of the problem was the same. He had a problem with his main superficial vein here that was treated also with radiofrequency. And once again, we carried out a microphlebectomy of those lumpy veins. And this is the appearance of that leg, also approximately 3 months later.